Here the question is, a colloidal solution of silver iodide is prepared by adding silver nitrate solution drop by drop to excess potassium iodide solution. We need to find out the charge of the salt particle and the cause of the charge as well. When silver nitrate solution is adding to potassium iodide solution, the precipitated silver iodide will adsorb the iodide ions from the dispersion medium and negatively charged colloidal particles will be produced. When the potassium iodide is in excess amount, the iodide ions will be absorbed on the surface of silver iodide particles and they will give them a negative charge. For predicting the charge of the colloidal particle, you will get half marks, and for the reason, the other half marks. So the total mark is 1 for the A question. In the second question, two graphical representations are given. We need to identify the one which represents physis option. The one which represents the physis option will be the first graph because the extent of adsorption decreases with increase in temperature in case of physis option. The third question is, two gases A and B have critical temperatures 430 Kelvin and 190 Kelvin. We need to find out the gas which will be readily adsorbed and we need to provide the reason as well. It is given here the temperature of the gas A is 430 Kelvin and that of B is 190 Kelvin. So the gas with higher critical temperature are readily adsorbed because above the critical temperature, the gas with higher critical temperature are readily adsorbed because above critical temperature there will be a less attraction of molecules of gases so they can be adsorbed easily. The gas A has a higher temperature so it will be adsorbed more compared to that of B as we discussed now. So here the gas A has higher temperature so it will be adsorbed more as compared to B. So we can say the gas which is absorbed easily will be A. With higher critical temperature it will liquefy more easily.